Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for crypto.com. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Our first key level we notice is our monthly swing high. Now, we can also notice our monthly swing low here. And we see price pushing to the level. Now, we also notice a key level right here. As we see reactions as resistance here, and reaction as resistance here. Now, we also notice a key level right here, where price came down, stalled, acting as support before price broke through. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart. So, this level here, we're going to fine tune to the candle bodies on the weekly chart here. As you can see, price came down, hit, and reversed, came down, hit, and reversed. Multiple reactions acting as support, as well as this long wick. So, we also notice a key level right here on the weekly chart. This price came down, acted as support, and we see two reactions as resistance. So, multiple reactions acted as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot with drastic moves reversing from the level. Now, what do we notice here? We see a key level from this support right here. And if we look at most recent price action, we see more candles reacting to the level as support before breaking right through on this high volume momentum candle. But we see price stalling at our monthly level here. And for our monthly swing high, we're going to fine tune it to the candle close on the weekly chart. So, these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed this video and got any value from it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.